Okay, so hi everyone and welcome to our weekly market outlook. Hope that you're good, hope that you're doing well. Okay, this week there was some good trades on USD pairs. Okay, on Tuesday, Friday there is the nice trade, and hope guys that you are catching those movements. Okay, we are watching the moves closely, so we are catching everything. Okay, so there's also a nice potential upcoming setups for the upcoming week on USD and still. On USD and yen. Okay, so let me first show you the ideas which I've been sharing and posted for you guys. Okay, let's go. Okay, DXY, what do we have there? Okay, I have posted it for you, so everyone should see that we are anticipating a wave to the upside. Okay, so for those who are new, wait for the confirmation. Okay, wait on lower time frame for buy setups and go for the buy setup. Okay, so nice wave is coming over there. Okay, we are already into the buy from that bottom. Okay, so we are already in and we are holding the trades on break even. So break even, what does this mean for those who are new? Okay, this is the no risk trade. Okay, we get in and now we move the stop loss on entry point, so now we are secure. Now we will only watch our profits. Okay, so yeah, all the all the upcoming week you will be watching for the buy setups. Okay, can price go down? Of course. Okay, it can spike down, but it will still go to the upside, so no worries that there you will not find a buy setup. Okay, just keep an eye for the buy setup. Okay, it will appear. If it will not, then it will just tag the top and it will appear from the top, from the bottom, sorry. Okay? So just be patient and watch the setups. Here yen, okay, there was the also nice setup. It just started to break down. Okay? There was the daily correction. There's the big actually daily correction and one more confirmation. It's happening right there. You will just have to keep an eye there on lower time frame and you didn't miss anything. Okay, you will just keep adding your trades all the way back to that bottom. Okay, so nice money is coming there, keep an eye there and don't miss the setups. Okay, I think that I have also posted there, yeah. I have posted the setup from there to watch it going lower. Okay, if you did, okay, in case if you take that trade, if you put your stop loss there, you are still having this trade. Okay, so you are doing wonderful. Okay, if not, then you're supposed to get in there. Okay, there was your entry, there was your stop loss. Okay, so if you didn't hold this trade, okay, if you closed the break even, you did good, okay, but you will have to re-enter it over there. Okay, exactly there is the point where you will have to re-enter the trade and now you're having a nice trade. Okay, for the upcoming week, what you will do, you will just watch for this correction then going lower. Okay, I will show you all the pairs, okay, step by step what we are anticipating. Now I'm just explaining the published ideas so everyone will know which ideas are still active, which are not active. Okay, copper didn't give us any sell setup. We didn't take any sell setup. There was no sell setup. The copper was keep forming the buy setup. Okay, as you can see, there wasn't any sell setup. Okay, and the copper is still forming the buy setup. Okay, we were anticipating this small wave back to the trend line, then we'll be watching for buy, but the price didn't. Okay, so no worries, we didn't sell. Okay, we didn't get into that sell because we are not selling without having the confirmation. Okay, and we are watching every day in our daily webinars for those kind of the confirmations with our traders. Okay, so as you know that in our trading academy we are having every day in and at 10 a.m. in the morning a webinar where we are watching for the potential setups and what is ready to trade or what is it setting up for a nice trade. Okay, so we're only watching for the good risk to reward ratio trades. Okay, so let's move forward. US oil, what do we have there? The price it keeps struggling there. Okay, so if you were selling there, okay, there was the setup. Oh, sorry, I just misclicked. Okay, there was the setup which I was showing you. Okay, so if you were trading there, you should take off your profit or close it on break even. So what the price is doing right now, okay, stop selling. Okay, that ain't a price which will go more to the downside. Okay, just keep starting to push this higher, okay? That could be all the correction and we will start pushing higher. So let's see, okay? Let's see the lower time frame. If you will catch any buy setup, just take it, okay? We are going to the upside, okay? You can all exactly similar scenario, okay? So if you were taking the sells from there, okay, you're doing nice, but the prices will start to rise. So keep an eye for your buy setups. Okay, so what we have there, okay, the price has just went up, but that's not yet for buying, okay? There was the one buy setup, okay? If you go in for that buy, great, so take off your profit, okay? You have enough. If you join there on the strong break to the upside, your stop loss should be there, okay? And now you're already making 1 or 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, okay? So this is done, and this will close your trade. I will also update, take your profit. Okay, I have updated you, so you will guys know that you will have to take off your profit. Okay, that's not gonna go far. Wait for the other correction and we'll see. But I think that we will have now there the bigger correction, okay? Something like that will appear there before New Zealand CAD will push to the upside. Or be careful, that scenario can also push to the downside, okay? This scenario can also appear, okay? So which one will be? Keep an eye there for the first sells, and then we just have to decide what the price will do around the previous bottoms, okay? Or if there it will be any formations for the pattern, okay? You have to recognize that in the right time. New Zealand cat, what was there? Went, oh, sorry. That was that one, sorry. Natural, okay, that's gone already, okay? So you can see that it did really nicely. Nice profit, okay? USD, that one is still active. We are still watching it to sell, okay? So we are selling it from the top there, okay? Those are the sells which you are holding now, and we will see, okay? So what I anticipate at least that kind of the movement. Then we'll have to decide if it will go up or down. So for everyone who is new to our channel or who is watching our weekly market outlook the first time, okay, keep an eye there for your sell setups, okay? You can trade all the way back to the trend line, then you have to decide, okay? So slowly wait for your corrections before jumping into the trade, okay? If I'm telling to you that there is the sell, don't just press sell as soon as the market will open. No, wait for the setup before getting into the trade, okay? Bitcoin USD, okay, I feel that one is still struggling, but it will go soon to the upside, okay? So watch this. It will start to push higher really fast. So get ready, okay? Once it will start to push high, you wanna catch the wave, okay? You wanna ride that wave to the upside, okay? There's a nice profit, okay? Silver, okay, it's pushing up, so now we will slowly start waiting for the wave to the downside, okay? So those who are buying it, take off your profit. Okay, USD Chief, it's still where it is, okay? The correction has just get bigger, okay? We were buying from there, it didn't go anywhere, we take off your profit, or you should close out on break even, it went down, okay, make new lows, so there's the bigger structure now. What you can do, watch for your buy setups, okay? This wave, it is still there, okay? So keep an eye there. I still see that one coming over there, okay? This, at least that kind of the movement, or totally reverse to the upside. So why totally reverse to the upside? As you can see that there's a huge structure, okay? This is the daily structure actually over there, okay? So you should catch that move. Buy setups are on your radar, okay? Euro Aussie, so what the price did, it is struggling there, okay? So that can still go down, okay? So keep an eye there, that is still valid, okay? But it can still go down, so keep an eye there for the sell stop on Euro Aussie. Pound Aussie, what it did exactly, it went lower and then it started to reverse, okay? So as you can see, it started to turning, okay? So now what we are having there, there's the bigger correction which will still push to the downside. Okay, I'm going a bit faster there to all those setups because I will go later step by step and I will explain all the movements which are happening or which are preparing on the market. Gold, okay, it is struggling there, okay, and as you can see, it went up really nicely, okay. It went first attempt, okay, first try was there, and then close on break here, and then you should be getting back into the buys there, okay? So those are all the buy setups. So you should be into that buy, okay? It's nice buy actually. Aussie New Zealand, okay? It went nicely up and then it reversed, okay? So I think this is all. Okay, so let me go. I will start with the DXY. Okay, so what we are having there is really nice, huge impulse to the upside. Okay, so what the price is trying to do, the price is trying to reverse to the upside. Okay, so and if you watch there on the 4 hour structurally showing at least that kind of the movement. Okay, but yeah, you wanna watch for your buy setup. You wanna take that buy. Why? Because it can start to push higher. Okay, the similar move like that one, it could develop over there. Okay, but first take the buy on DXY. You will see how it will struggle. If it will struggle around the trend line, okay, then you have to decide to take off your profit because you're going for one more down. Okay, there it will be the 5 wave structure before pushing to the upside. Okay, so just keep an eye watching there on lower time frame. Okay, 1 hour. This one could start to push higher. Okay, so watch it. Watch this to push higher. We are already in trading from this buy. Okay, so we are protected to the break-even trade. So we will see what the price will do. Let me show you the others. So as you can see that New Zealand USD is also setting up for the sell. Okay, so this is the reason because DXY is trying to push higher. That means we will be anticipating a New Zealand USD to push lower. Okay, so what you can do, you can watch for your sell setups there. Let me move on 1 hour. Okay, as you can see that we are having some kind of the reaction over there. Okay, so watch this. Watch this to strongly started pushing lower. Okay, so let me grab that trend line. I will just choose it and put it over there. So what you can do, just watch for your strong breaks to the downside. Okay, you can take the trade and you will see how far this will go. Okay, I'm at least anticipating the tag of the previous bottoms. Okay, at least something like that if it will go to the upside. Okay, or there's second scenario that can struggle there. Okay, give you the buy stop, it will go high. Okay, it will give you something like running flat, and then it will go down. Okay, and then it will give you the running flat, which will totally break to the downside, to the upside. Okay, so that means we will not see this move anymore. Okay, we will not see the tag of the trend line. Okay, so as you can see on there on the daily, I can show you nicely. Okay, I do anticipate this move. Okay, I really want to see that kind of the movement because this wave to the upside will be really nice and you should catch it, okay? Otherwise, the potential to the downside still exists, okay? This still exists. This move now over there will actually indicate, okay? This move will tells us will we continue to the downside or we will reverse from the trend line, okay? Depends how this wave there will develop. Okay, so watch it closely and you will see. But yeah, you can take the sell setups. Okay, sell setups are worth of taking it. You will make nice money over there, at least 2 or 3%. Your USD, okay, it's setting up for a nice reversal. As you can see, they're on the daily. Okay, let me move there on the 4 hour structure. That's much better picture. Okay, so this is what I do anticipate. At least going tag the trend line. Be careful, don't sell around the trend line. Okay, think will become dangerous if you will start selling around the trend line. You should get in earlier, okay? At least somewhere there, okay? If this will start to struggle, okay? But we are already into the sell, okay? So we are sellers from there, okay? There is our sell, this is our entry point. And now we are watching these two going down, at least take the trend line, then we will see, okay? But yeah, sell is nicely placed over there. For those who are not into the trade, let's see how this will develop. Okay, you wanna see the correction over there. Okay, correction is what you wanna see there. Okay, that can also start at a push lower. Okay, just keep an eye there. Watch this. Okay, if this will give you any strong break to the downside, you can take that sell. You will see how far it will go. Okay, but once it will break down. Okay, when it will break down this low, you wanna protect yourself. Put all your trades on break even. Okay, and don't get in when the price will just do this. Okay, that doesn't mean it will actually continue the downside. Okay, you want to see a strong big candle appearing over there, then you can join the trade to the downside. Okay, don't get into too early. That could become really aggressively. Okay, so that's all. Do not complicate, just watch and see which correction will appear. Okay, so we are there from the top. Oh, sorry, from the top, and we will watch it. Probably we will close that on a break even, and then we will sell it again from new high. Depends how this will develop over there. Okay, we just have to see on Monday morning or Monday evening. Okay, depends how fast this will developing. Then we'll have to make a decision if we will close this trade over there on break even, or we will just let it go. As okay, there's the trade. Okay, this is the trade which I personally took. Okay, and this is also in our signals service. Okay, so this is the sell, and yeah, what you will do, watch this. Watch how that will develop and go for the sell. Okay, you can sell that bottom. You'll see how far it will go. Okay, but keep an eye. Okay, there is the nice developing of the structure which will go to the downside. So no worries, guys. Can this go for the more to the upside? Of course. This can stop there by the previous bottom, okay, but I don't care. My entry is there and I will put it on break even. If this will go to the high, I will sell again, okay? So where I will sell, I will watch to sell again from that top. Okay, there is where I will become a seller once again. Okay, so trading is not that easy, as you can see that you really have to be careful where your entry is. Okay, why this is so important? Because you need to have a time to manage your trade. Okay, so it's really important where your entry is, because otherwise you are not having enough time to manage your trade. Okay, this is the most important lesson and most important skill which you have to develop and learn if you would like to become profitable. Okay, it's not the same. It is not the same if you enter there, if you enter there, or if you enter there, or if you enter there. Okay, this is really different, and higher you will sell, the higher you will sell, the more chances you will have to manage your trade. Okay, the lower you will buy, the more chances you will have to manage your trade. Okay, this is really simple term. Okay, so let's go. So yeah, keep an eye there for the sell setups and keep selling, keep selling, keep selling. Pound USD, okay, that one is struggling there. I don't like that behavior right now. That ain't a buy setup for me. Okay, I wanna see there the bigger correction if this thing would go to the upside. Okay, so watch there around the previous bottom. I would like to see that this will stop. Okay, so let me just delete that trend line. Okay, what I would like to see is this. Okay, I wanna see the struggle there. Give me some price action on lower time frame there around the previous bottom, then I will decide to get in for a buy. Okay, otherwise this can go deeply. Okay, so if you catch any sensitive excuse me guys. Okay, sorry. If you catch any sensitive, you can take it and you will see how far it will go. If this will become aggressive, you will have a nice trade which will go take that bottom. Okay, so watch it, be patient, wait for the setup, don't just blindly jump into the chart or into the trade. USD CAD, okay, it plays out really nicely. That expanding triangle over there, it just hit the bottom as we were anticipating. Okay, so we were watching that in our trading room. Okay, it went down, boom, nicely, and then reversed to the upside. So I will delete that arrow. Okay, it's not yet valid. Okay, but the structure is similar like there. Okay, as you can see that it went down, it give you the nice pattern, boom, break all those bottoms similar like there. Okay, went down, correct, expanded flat, boom, break all those bottom and reverse to the upside. Okay, so it is working. Okay, the charts are like magic. We can see every move which will appear on the chart. Okay, and that doesn't matter about fundamentals. Okay, so we are just watching the technical, we are reading the chart. The chart will tell you exactly where it will move. Okay, so once you will learn and once you will understand the structures, you will know how the market will move in the future. Okay, so it will be really easy to make money. So what you will do now there, you will wait. Okay, definitely you wanna wait for the nice buy setup. You wanna see the 1 hour. 1 hour buy setup needs to appear before you will take that trade to the upside. Okay, that could be a really nice trade. So watch it. Watch this, okay? All the way back to the trend line, okay? Arrow is there, just follow it, watch for buy stops, and that's all. There's nothing to do. Use the chief, okay? Similar there, it is tagging the previous bottom, it made a new low. If you buy, great, you're doing nice. Protect yourself, okay? Put that on break even, and the others who are not in, okay, so what you will do, patiently wait for this to complete itself, let it tag that bottom, give you the nice flag, and go for that buy. Okay, so how far you can go with this buy? If this buy will stop by the trend line, okay, you can take off your profit. Otherwise, you will be watching at least breaking that top. Okay, at least breaking this top, it's needed. Okay, but if this trade will becomes aggressive, that could be a nice trade. Okay, I wanna see the tag of this high. So yeah, my upcoming wave and my upcoming expectations on USD Chief are this. So this is my minimum target. Okay, so this is 4% profit. Okay, this is what I'm watching, at least 4% to make there. Or if the price will start to aggressively push where I'm wanting to see the USD Chief, it will be 10%. Okay, so 10% with single trade. Okay, but I will add more, so there is around 30 or 20% there on that single currency of the profit. Okay, depends. Let's see. Okay, keep an eye. You should do the same. Follow me. Okay, go for those buys or wait it to tag the trend line again and then go for the buy. Okay, if this will not give you the correction there for the buy, you will not be trading it. Okay, you will let it drop. Don't go for this sell. Ignore the sell. Okay, let it go. Tag that bottom. Okay, tag the trend line, then go for the buy. Okay, this buy will appear. That's just the question. Will it go from here or it will just drop, take me out on a break even on this trade, and then it will go. Okay, so which one to go, you will see. Okay, exactly there you will see on Monday if this will give you the correction that this will push higher. Otherwise, it will break down. New Zealand Chief, what we are having there, New Zealand Chief, it will go down. As you can see on daily, we can anticipate a flag over there, or it can go and tag that high, going down, give you the flat, and then it will push higher. So which one it will be? Keep an eye there, okay? Watch this, how it will plays out. You can go for the sell, and you just have to be careful around the previous bottom. Why? Because that could be a nice structure for one more buy, tag that high, and then to go down. Okay, so be careful. These possibilities still exist over there. Okay, be careful by the previous bottom. Okay, this is where the magic will appear. Okay, and this is where you have to be careful because from there it can just push higher, tag that high, and then to go down, give you the flat over there, big huge flat before pushing to the upside. Okay, so for me, both options are open. If you wanna go for that sell, you wanna sell high, really high. Okay, then you will see what the price will do around the previous bottom. Okay, if you will sell high, you will have enough time to manage your trade. Okay, if this will stop there, you will have to protect yourself, close all the trades and break even in case if this will start to push higher. It can, okay? It can just break and then it can push higher. Or there it could be just a spike and then boom to the upside. So really be careful. If you wanna go for that buy sell, be careful. If you're not so sure or if you're not experienced enough, wait for the clear break to downside, wait for the correction, go for the sell. Okay, so this second scenario, it's better for all the new traders. Okay, those who are not experienced and for those who are not in our trading academy. So the reason is because they are not understand the market movement. Okay, so let's go. Let's move New Zealand cat, wonderful chart over there. Okay, so as you can see that there is the huge expanded flat. Okay, so huge expanded flat. So what you will do, keep an eye there on the sell stops. You can see that the chart is really high. Watch for the price action, go for the sell. Okay, there is the nice potential on New Zealand cat. So yeah, just watch it closely. Don't miss the trade and go for the sell. Okay, that's easy. Okay, that's all what you can do. Watch lower time frame. You can also watch lower time frame to see or to recognize any price action before triggering the sell trade. Here in New Zealand, let's have a look. Okay, that this thing will still go to the upside. As you can see that we are watching this as an ending diagonal channel. Okay, so that is struggling there and it will keep pushing for one more low. Okay, let me just delete this arrow. Okay, as you can see we saw that this is coming. Okay, so we see that when the chart was there, we know that we will see one more push to the downside. Okay, so what the price did, it went down, so it is still preparing for one more drop. It will go tag the trend line, then you will have to see what the price will do. Okay, but definitely if the price will give you any price action around the previous trend line, you go for buy. Okay, you go for the buy, and yeah, nice profit is there. Nothing special. Aussie New Zealand, watch there for the buy setup, go for the buy setup. Okay, but first wait for this impulse first to appear. Okay, you wanna see the impulse first before going for this buy. Okay, so be patient, watch for the impulse to appear first. Aussie Chief, so what do we have there? I think that this thing can push higher. Okay, so we'll have something like flag over there. So let me have a look, or let me just draw that correctly. I think that this can push higher, give us the flag before it will push lower. Okay, something like this is possible there. Okay, pushing higher and then going lower. So if you find any buy setup, go for it. Go for that buy setup. Be careful on the previous top. That's all. Okay. So it's easy. Can it also break down? Of course. This can also break down. So no risk taking entries from there. Okay. Just watch for the setups before taking the trade. Wait to take that bottom, then go to the upside. But definitely you wanna become the seller. That's nice move coming. Euro Aussie. Okay, I see this one struggling there, but it will go to the downside. Okay, so now the correction it's about to complete. Okay, at any time soon it will just start to push lower. It will take the previous bottom and then to start to push higher. So keep an eye, watch for the move to appear. Okay, so Aussie cat, that one it will still go to the downside. As you can see that there is then no momentum for buy. Okay, so we can see at least the bigger correction if this thing will continue to the upside, or we can see the totally reverse to the downside. Okay, as you can see that daily, on daily there is no momentum for buy. Okay, but yeah, it can give us the bigger correction also over there before pushing higher, or it can totally reverse, retest the previous bottom. So watch it, take the sell, and see how far it will go. Cat chief, okay. I don't think that this is all the correction. Okay, I don't think this is all the correction for the sell. So let's have a look there on for our structure. For our structure, it looks like it will push higher. Okay, so definitely you will go for the buy. Okay, keep an eye there on cat chief for the buy setup for the upcoming quick. Okay, but definitely you wanna be a seller from there if the price will give you the price action. Okay, so sell from there. Okay, something like that, and then this will be your first profit or the previous bottom. Okay, this is the nice wave. So you will have to wait first. Wait first to push higher, or if you'll find there on lower time frame, okay, if you're skilled enough, you can take the buy setups. Okay, take those buys, and then you'll go for the sell. That's easy. Your chief, it's struggling there. Okay, just keep an eye on 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour it needs to struggle there, and then you can buy above that high. Okay, buy that above that high, you will see how far this will go. Okay, just Just put an enter order there and you will see. Okay, watch it. Your cat, definitely it will go to the downside. Okay, so nice wave to the downside is coming, tagging that bottom, then you'll have to decide. So yeah, keep an eye there for your sell setup. Nice sell, it's there. Watch it going lower. Silver struggling there. It will go to the downside. Okay, so watch that to break down. Okay, so one error is there, the second is missing. Yeah, so let me just bring the chart there. Okay, like that. So watch for that sell. Okay, keep an eye, keep your eyes for your sell setup to tag that online, then you'll see. That's all. It's easy. Can it also go for the bigger correction? Of course, it can go for the bigger correction also, and then pushed higher. Which one it will be? Watch. This one will indicate the upcoming movement, and this move will tells you exactly what the price will do in the upcoming 2 to 3 weeks. Uh, gold, gold is there in the channel, so this thing it has to break down. Okay, that's just the question. If this will go for one more high and then break down totally, okay, it can give you the big daily correction before pushing higher. Okay, I don't see this one pushing higher. Okay, I wanna see this give us the bigger correction before going to the upside. So watch that to start it pushing lower. Okay, it can still go for one more high and then from there it can start it to push lower. So watch it. USDN, okay, it's struggling there. I wanna see the USDN started to pushing higher really aggressively. Okay, that USDN has the weekly and daily structure which is completed, and I wanna see that to start pushing higher. On lower time frame, as you can see that there is a nice impulse which has appeared on Friday. So on Friday it has appeared, so correction now it's in the making. So if you guys know how to trade it, watch this, buy above that high when the price will become aggressive. Okay, take the trade and you'll see how far it will go. Okay, that could be a nice trade. Can it break the downside? Of course, it can still break the downside. Okay, it can still break and go tag that bottom. That possibility still exists, but yeah, I want to see the aggressive rate to the upside and I will take that trade. Euro yen, this one is being posted here on my published idea. So if you are watching me, then definitely you are having the trade. Okay, so what you will do, you watch this, how this will develop over there. You want to sell the strong break to the downside. Okay, take that sell. Strong break downside, take it. You will see how far it will go. New Zealand yen, similar structure, similar picture. It is correcting right now, but it will just break down. Okay, so keep an eye there on strong break to the downside. For our structure, it's showing a nice wave coming over there. Okay, so something like that, it's possible over there. At least this, okay, at least this is possible. Keep an eye. Aussie yen, similar. Watch for a sell setups, take that sell, strong break to the downside. CAD yen, similar there, okay, so some of you were taking that buy, great, okay, and there was the loss of the momentum. Okay, there was the loss of the momentum and the prices just went down. So what you'll do, wait for the correction, wait for clear, nice correction, take that sell. You wanna be into the sell. Guys, I really wanna see that you will not miss that trade to the downside if it will appear, okay? If not, it will go for a new high, it will give you a new high, then you wanna sell again. Okay, so let me just delete those arrows. Watch for the strong break to the downside. Okay, so watch strong to the downside. If once you will get into that sell, okay, if the price will stop by the previous bottom, then it will go for one more up, but it will still go to the downside. Okay, this possibility still exists. So yeah, you can take that sell and watch it by the previous bottom. That's all. It's easy, guys. Chief yen, quite similar scenario. Let it correct there, go for the sell. Okay, so for those who are selling from the top, they're doing great. Okay, there was the nice sell setup at the top of the structure. If you were watching on lower time frame, you should catch it. Okay, you should catch it. Your entry is really nice, totally at the top. Your risk to reward ratio is wonderful. Okay, 1 to 3. And yeah, for others who didn't catch it, watch this and take that straight to the downside. Okay, it will be easy. Euro GBP. Let's wait for that one, okay? That one, it's not for the selling right now. If you're selling from the previous corrections, great, you're doing fine. But now, I would not recommend you to go for the sell, okay? At least not yet. You wanna see there the 1 hour correction before you go for that sell. Otherwise, this thing can really aggressively reverse to the upside, okay? So this thing can start to push higher. Come on. Those who are selling from there, they're doing great. So protect yourself, put that on break even, and you'll see. Okay, so the others wait this to develop. Okay, it can break up, it can give you the buy stop, take that buy. Take that buy to go break that top, and then you can take off your profit, start watching for the sell stop. Okay, or let it clearly break, let it correct, go for the sell. Okay, this is where you will go for the sell, but you want to see the bigger correction before getting into that sell. Pound New Zealand. Okay, so what do we have there? Watch for the sell setup. Okay, this thing will push to the downside. That's gonna go lower. Pound cat similar there. Okay, it is nicely correcting there, and it will push lower. Okay, so let me just delete all those trend lines which are there. I don't want to confuse you, but yeah, definitely you will watch for your sell stop. Okay, watch for your sell stops. It can easily go tag that bottom. Okay, keep an eye there, watch it, and see how it will plays out. Easily take this, going higher, and then you'll see. Okay, but yeah, watch that one. Pound Aussie, nothing there. Okay, it will go down. Okay, that's not ready for the bounce to the upside. It will go down. This thing can push lower. Watch it. Keep an eye. I will also set an alarm over there. I just want to see what the price will do. Pound Chief is in the correction. Okay, so this thing can still go down. As you can see that I'm watching for the pound pairs to take that bottom. Okay, be careful. Pound yen is struggling there, but I think that this can go for the bigger correction before pushing higher. It can go give you the bigger correction over there. So keep an eye there. Pound yen, it's not on the good spot, and it also doesn't look good. So I do recommend you rather stay away from it. Okay, so if you go for this buy over there, you should close that on break even. That ain't gonna go far. So price can extend itself, then going higher. So keep an eye. I'm not so interested for this buy. Okay, that's not for me, and yeah, it's quite risky. If you take that buy, great. So what you will do, if not, you will just watch, break it lower. Okay, it will go somewhere there probably, and from there you will keep an eye there for your buy setups. Okay, buy setups are there. Watch it. Watch for buy stop. This looks like a sell setup right now. Okay, so this thing can easily now break to the downside. So be careful. Oh, sorry, that ain't a trend line. Okay, what can we have for there? This thing can just break down. Okay, so if you are selling it, you're doing great, but it will go something like that. It can go even deeper, something like that. Okay, and this will be your target. Breaking this, and then it will go to the upside, something like that. So watch it closely. Natural gas, what is it doing? Okay, it is trying to correct. Okay, this thing is trying to correct, so watch for the aggressive break to the upside. You can take that buy. Use the Mexican, it can go breaking those bottoms, so watch for your sell stops. SP500, okay, SP500 is about to tag the previous top, so if you were watching it for buy, there was the clear and nice buy setup. If you take that buy, you're doing really well. It will go and tag that high, okay, there is no worries that it will not hit. Okay, you will see that at least tag of this high. So if you want to go for the buy stop, you can go, but this is the really short term. Okay, that's not gonna go really fast. Okay, it can just start at a struggle. Okay, it can struggle like that, and boom, then it will go down. But definitely watch for sell stops soon as you will have the tag of the previous top. UK 100, okay, struggling there. Okay, I was thinking that this will reverse to the upside, didn't. Okay, but still we are not trading. There wasn't not a buy, not even a sell setup. So keep an eye there. Watch it for the clear correction. This thing can still go down. Okay, it can still take that bottom. The pattern is not yet completed, and I wanna see the clear and nice corrections. Okay, clear and nice corrections is what I'm anticipating over there. Okay, so it can also stay there, push lower, tag the bottom, and then reverse it upside. UK oil, close all the sell setups that you're having, okay? So as I have told you at the beginning of my webinar, close all the sell setups. This thing can start at a push really high. The structure may change a little bit, okay? So the structure could be something like this, a running flat over there, okay? So be careful. Not running flat, sorry. Okay, so this was the sign of the reversal. So keep an eye, it can still pushing to the upside. Wait for your buy stops, take all the correction, and we can see the price started pushing higher. Okay, like this. Watch this. It could be over. Similar there with US oil. Okay, similar there. This thing can just start to push higher. Keep an eye there for your buy stop. US 30. Okay, similar there. It can go tag that high, so be careful, don't get into the sell. Okay, sell, it's not active anymore. There was the sell, and you should end up with a break-even trade. So what the price is trying to do, okay, the price can go and tag that high before we will see a wave to the downside. Okay, so no worries. Okay, watch for your buy setups all the way back to the top, then you can watch for the sell. Be careful. Copper, okay, aggressively pushing higher. Like I said, there was no sell stops. Okay, keep buy. Okay, that's gonna go still pushing higher. So but I do not recommend it to go to trade there on the copper. Okay, you will be buying really at the top, so don't go for the buy. Okay, don't buy there on copper. Wait for the correction before going for the buy. German 30, okay, it will go and tag that high, similar like SP 500. Okay, we'll see the tag of that high. I was thinking it will go from there, but it goes a little bit lower, so yeah, that's almost the same. It will still go to the upside, tag that high, and then to go to the downside. Okay, setup is still there. Keep an eye and watch it. Platinum, okay, behaving there, so be careful. This can still go. You can buy above there, buy above high, and you'll see how far it will go. Ethereum, Bitcoin, this can bounce off at any time soon. Okay, so watch this. Watch this flag to explode to the upside. You can buy above the high. You can buy there. Okay, somewhere there you can take that buy. You'll see how it will plays out. Okay, but definitely you can go for the buy. Bitcoin USD, what it's doing right there, it can give you the bigger correction, nothing special. You can buy above the high again. Okay, so keep an eye. Ethereum USD, this thing can go for the flat over there, and then it will go big buy again. Okay, so watch to buy there. Okay, there was the amazing buy. If you take that buy, great, you're doing wonderful. So now you'll wait for the new buy to appear over there, then you will take that buy. Okay, you wanna buy above the previous high, and you'll have a nice trade over there. Okay, so keep an eye. Ethereum USD, nothing special. Okay, it will go for one more low as it shows right now. Okay, so be careful. If it will break through that high, buy. Okay, buy it. It will go really fast. So you can put an enter order and you will see how far it will go. Litecoin USD, okay, this thing can just give you the bigger correction, but it will go to the upside. Okay, so as we are watching all the cryptos for the upside, this one is similar. Okay, let it to correct, go for the buy. Buy above the high is a good idea. So don't go for all the crypto. Okay, all that what I'm showing you, you don't have to trade. Ripple, nothing special. Let's wait for the correction. Okay, let's wait for the correction, then buy above the high somewhere there, and that would be a nice trade. Okay, use the Hong Kong dollar. That one, it's really nice. Okay, so if you are in, then you're doing great. If not, then you cannot do anything right now. Okay, I will update you when the price will be ready with the correction to more for the upside. Okay, so traders, this is everything. I hope that you enjoy our weekly market outlook. Okay, if you're interested to join our trading academy, feel free go to our trading academy website. Okay, tradewithmaster.eu. Okay, tradewithmaster.eu, and feel free to check those membership levels. You will find which one is for you, and I will welcome you in our community. Okay, every day we are having the daily webinars with daily setups, and we will help you to succeed. Okay, if you are interested for the signals, we are also having a new signals service. Okay, so if you are ready, just go under the signals, read, and sign up for the signals. So traders, I hope that you have enjoyed our weekly market outlook. If you do, please share the link with others. Okay, so take care and be patient and take a lot of profit there. Take care. Bye bye.